This 2017 Dodge Charger is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Dodge Charger Daytona 340 optional equipment customer preferred package 29S $5,100 black grille body colored fascia Daytona edition group functional hood scoop fold air system by Mopar Daytona performance suede leather seats Daytona IP badge carbonite interior accents Daytona decals on hood roof and trunk bright pedals upper track pack performance suspension 20-in quad hyper black forged blue aluminum wheels projector 2 LED fog lamp spark sense rear park assist systems in black rear spoiler high-speed engine controller Beats audio group $995 navigation and travel group $1,095 power sunroof $1,095 standard equipment power sliding sunroof 5.7L Hemi engine 8-speed automatic transmission keyless and tri-keyless start park distance control heated front seats power trunk opener power adjustable steering wheel power automatic windows power door locks go green exterior black brazen interior Dodge floor mats 2 sets of keys owner's manual loan owner balance of factory Dodge warranty. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with visit us at autogallerychicago.com.